Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HBM. I made this facial oil. This oil is actually an anti-aging oil and it is a brightening oil. The main ingredients in this oil is retinol. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. On this channel, I teach you how to make skincare product. I do product review, and please do check out my natural skincare product on my website at www.hbmorganicbeauty.com. I sell natural skincare products there, and also I teach you or coach you how to make your natural skincare product or your product from scratch in case you want to start a skincare business or you want to learn how to make natural skincare product for yourself. So what is the benefit of you using this oil? This anti-aging brightening face oil improves your skin tone and texture. It treats hyperpigmentation. It will lighten your face. It reduces appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, why do you need facial oils that actually contain retinol? If you are above 20 years, that is, you're in your mid-20s, you're 25 to 30th upward, please, you need to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine, because as you grow from 25 upward, you're beginning to lose collagen and your elastin production starts to slow down. So this is why you need to consider retinol, because this is a great anti-aging ingredient that you need to start incorporating into your skincare routine. So this oil is going to help to clear blemishes in case you're suffering from pimples. This is going to help clear your acne, your pimples, spots, and it will brighten your face. Not only it is an anti-aging oil, this oil will brighten your face under eye circle. It will brighten and even out your skin tone, that you will start loving your skin, and above all, it will make you look younger, like you're gonna look like a sweet 16 even while you are in your 40s. So this facial oil is a non-greasy facial oil. That means it absorbs so fast into the skin and it just disappears into the skin, and it will not clog your pores because this oil is formulated with argan oil and other good ingredients. So watch the video to the end. Let's weigh out all our oils. So here is my argan oil. I'm using the argan oil unrefined. Argan oil is being gotten from kernel that grows on the argan tree. This oil is non-greasy and it doesn't clog your pores, and it is rich in essential nutrients and fatty acid. It protects the skin from sun damage. It treats acne. It heals skin infection. It has anti-aging effect. It prevents and reduces stretch marks. Yes, and it also moisturizes the skin. This is a brand new container of argan oil. I buy in liters because I use this oil a lot. I'm making 50 ml because we're making an anti-aging brightening oil, and one of the active is very expensive, so I'm not making much. I am just making 50 ml of this serum because I just have to make little quantity. So I'm going to weigh out my argan oil. So for your scale, let me just use this opportunity and teach most of you how to use scale. Okay, so whenever you want to use your scale, please, whenever you want to use your scale, put your beaker and put on your scale. Your scale will definitely go back to 0, but for this particular scale I'm using scale that reads in decimal points. Most scale read from 1 gram, 2 grams, but this one can read in 0.1, 0.2, and this is actually the scale I use for my YouTube formulations because I make in smaller quantity. So I'll be weighing out my argan oil. So this is my argan oil. So next I'll be adding in the next ingredient, and I'll be adding in my retinol palmitate. This is great for anti-aging, and it is one of the key ingredients for making anti-aging products. This is also good for acne because it has anti-acne benefits. So we are going to be adding our retinol palmitate. I am using 2% of my retinol oil. You can actually use this from 1 to 2%, or you can do 0.5%, but I am using this at 2%. I mean, I just need 1 gram of it, and I am being so careful because I don't want too much of the retinol palmitate or the retinol oil to get into my beaker. So I'm going to keep this is gold. I'm going to keep this carefully. So next I'm going to add in the next ingredients here. I'm using my vitamin E oil, which is also our antioxidant. So I'm adding my vitamin E oil 0.5%, and that is why you need this scale. If you make skincare product personally for yourself, you need this scale because it actually reads in decimal. So I'll just keep dropping because I just need 0.5. So next I'll be adding in fragrance oil. Now fragrance oil is optional. If you do react to fragrances when it comes to your facial product, please, you can just make use of this oil this way. But I just want to spice up the fragrance, the aroma, yeah, of the oil a little bit. Just want to spice it up. So I'm using an essential oil. I'm using Ylang essential oil. Okay, so you can see I buy this oil in plenty. Most of this ingredient I use in making DIYs, they are product I use, and that's why at times I don't like to actually, I don't like wasting them because they are quite expensive. So right here I'll be adding in my fragrance oil, a 0.5 gram of my essential oil. After washing your face, you wipe off your face with your towel, then you go in and apply this oil. Apply on your chin, on your forehead, then you massage in a circular motion and spread it all over your face. But please, when you're massaging, do not let it get into your mouth or your eyes. So make use of this oil in the night. But if you want to make use of this oil in the morning, after applying this oil, please make sure you apply your sunscreen 30 minutes after you've applied this oil on your face. This oil is looking so beautiful and you're gonna love it. If you're pregnant, please stay away from retinol. Retinol is not for you when you're pregnant. So if you're pregnant, just stay away from retinol. It is not recommended for you to use retinol when you are pregnant. If you want to apply your retinol oil along with your face moisturizer, I would advise you to first of all apply your moisturizer, because your moisturizer is a water-based product, okay, and it will absorb faster than an oil-based product. So apply your moisturizer on your face, then you go on and apply your retinol oil, and yes, you apply your sunscreen. If it is in the daytime, apply your sunscreen. Even if you're not applying this oil in the daytime, it's always advisable for you to apply your sunscreen. So thank you so much. I hope you give this oil a try out. This oil is so lovely. See you in my next video. Bye.